Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
The real story of Amazon. Welcome to another exciting episode of Learn English Through Story. Today we will explore the real story behind Amazon, one of the most powerful companies in the world. This story is perfect for intermediate English learners. Let's begin. Our story begins in 1994 in Seattle, Washington. A young man named Jeff Bezos had a big dream. At that time, the internet was still new. Most people didn't even know what online shopping meant. Jeff worked in New York City as a successful investment manager. He earned good money, but he wanted something more. He wanted to build something new. One day he read a report that said internet use was growing by 2300% each year. That number amazed him. He thought if the internet is growing this fast, people will one day use it for everything, even buying things. So Jeff made a bold decision. He quit his job, packed his things, and drove to Seattle with his wife. There in a small garage, he started his new company. Jeff wanted to sell something that could be easily shipped and that people everywhere wanted. He made a list of 20 possible products, CDs, software, office supplies, and more. But one idea stood out: books. Books were perfect. There were millions of titles, and no physical bookstore could carry them all. So Jeff decided to create the world's biggest bookstore online. He called the company Amazon. Why Amazon? Because the Amazon River is the largest river in the world, and Jeff wanted his company to be the largest bookstore in the world. In July 1995, Amazon.com went live. Jeff and his small team worked long hours, often sitting on the floor packing boxes by hand. Then one day, the first order arrived, a book called Fluid Concepts and Creative Analogies. They celebrated like it was a festival. The dream had begun. Soon, people from all over the US began ordering books online. Amazon grew quickly. By 1997, it had customers in over 45 countries and went public on the stock market. But Jeff didn't stop there. He had a bigger dream: to sell everything. He wanted Amazon to become the everything store. Slowly, Amazon expanded. It started selling music, electronics, clothes, and toys. Jeff believed that if the company always focused on customer happiness, success would follow. Amazon continued to grow. In 2005, it launched Amazon Prime, a membership that offered fast free delivery. At first, people were not sure about paying an early fee, but soon millions joined. Prime changed online shopping forever. In 2007, Amazon introduced the Kindle, an electronic reader that let people carry thousands of books on one small device. Readers loved it. The Kindle became a huge success. A few years later, Amazon created Amazon Web Services, a business that provides cloud computing for companies. It quietly became one of Amazon's most profitable projects. By the 2010s, Amazon had become a global giant. It operated in many countries and offered millions of products. Jeff Bezos became one of the richest people in the world. Start small, dream big. Jeff started in a garage with no guarantee of success, but he believed in his vision. Focus on customers. Every Amazon decision begins with one question: what's best for the customer? It took years before Amazon made real profits, but patience and hard work paid off. The story of Amazon is not just about money or technology. It's about courage, imagination, and belief. Jeff Bezos once said, I knew that if I failed, I wouldn't regret it. But I knew the one thing I might regret is not trying. From one man's dream in a small garage to one of the world's largest companies, Amazon shows that even the biggest success stories start with a single idea and a lot of determination. Thank you for listening to Learn English Through Story. We hope you enjoyed discovering how Amazon grew from a tiny online bookstore into a global empire.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.